Hey, good morning, everybody out there. It's Dr. Monte here, Contractor Monte today. We're here looking at some ADA ramps. Basically, that stands for American Disability Act, ADA, and there's standards for that to keep you safe if you've got a ramp that's needed for a wheelchair. Primarily a wheelchair, but it also helps if you've got a walker or just walking on it and have some kind of impairment with your walking. So the actual standard is a rise of 1 to a run of 12. Okay, so if it's 1 inch up, you gotta go 12 inches long. So this is one that's actually very good. It seems to meet the standards. The slope of it's not that bad. It seems about right. And we measured it with a handy dandy tape measure, and it's good to go. But we are going to show you one that is not good to go, that we're going to eventually tear out and replace. So let's go take a look at that one. All right, we're here at the on-site at the example of a ramp that does not meet the standards of ADA approval. This is seriously way too steep, way too dangerous for anybody. You put a wheelchair on this and they're gone. Okay, there's no way they're going to be strong enough to push themselves or have someone push them up. That's quite the effort there to get up this height. This one honestly probably needs to be, I think I measured it earlier, probably a good 10 feet longer than what it currently is. The slope is just way too steep. It also needs side rails, handrails on it, okay, to make it even safer. You don't want to fall off the side of this. It's just a standard that you need to keep that's safe. You can always look that up on ADA requirements for ramps and handrails. Those are online. But we just wanted to give you an example of what a good standard ADA approved ramp is that we showed you earlier and what is not. So this one we got to get rid of, redo to keep everybody safe. So stay safe, don't slide off your ramp, get it nice and even.